Hello, 8th grade math students. Mr. Lawrence here, and this video will be really quick. It's going to clear up some confusion that I know teachers have a problem with sometimes. Okay, so we're going to be dealing with exponents of negative numbers. But again, if you haven't been on the closure document or my webpage, you can see today is Thursday. So I'm going to hide. Ooh, it's got a mind of its own. This is what we're doing today. Okay, there's a video on negative exponents of negative numbers, and then a MobyMax assignment to do. Okay. All right. So let me get back to it here. Now, what a lot of you don't realize is that these two statements here, these two expressions, are not the same. The other day, in that first video, we had a problem, and I referenced that, hey, a lot of you think this says negative 2 times negative 2. It wasn't with the negative 2, but you're absolutely right. It does say that. This one does not. It doesn't. No, it doesn't. Are you listening to me? You're not reading this one correctly. This one is read as the negative. The negative. The negative of 2 squared. So in other words, to find it, you have to find 2 squared and then take the negative of it. If I said the number 10, what's the negative of 10? Well, negative 10, right? Okay, that's what this one says, the negative 2 squared. This one says negative 2 squared. They do not say the same thing. Have I emphasized that enough? They do not say the same thing. This black one here on the left says negative 2 squared. Okay, but this one does not say that. This says the negative of 2 squared. And I can prove it to you. If you add this problem here, 0 minus 2 squared, the order of operations would dictate that you do this part first and then subtract. So you would get 0 minus 4, which is negative 4. Don't you see the invisible 0 right here? Look, there it is. I'll draw it in. I didn't change the problem at all. Putting a 0 in front of that negative 2 to the second power like that doesn't change it at all. So since it doesn't change it, then it must not say what this one does. This one says the negative of 2 squared. 2 squared is 4. I'll take the negative of that. Okay? So I've got 4 problems for you to try here. I'd love for you to pause the video and then go ahead and see what I do. Okay? Go ahead, pause the video. All right, here comes my answers. This one is going to be 25. This one's going to be negative 16. This one's going to be negative 144. And this one is going to be a positive 81. Yeah, because, all right, this one means the negative of 4 times 4. This one means the negative of 12 times 12. This one means negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3, which is positive 9 times positive 9, which is positive 81. Okay? All right, that's it. If you have any questions, please come to my office hours. Come see me, say hello, and we can talk about this. All right? All right, that's it for the video. Mr. Lawrence signing off. Have a good night, everybody.